Hi guys, it's I here. Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I will be making butter cookies. So in here guys, I'm just preparing 500 grams of flour and 250 grams of sugar supposedly, but it's not enough, but it's fine. And yes, I'm adding a little bit of salt as well. Then you have to mix it all together. Next, we will be adding 3 egg yolks. It doesn't look like 3 because, I don't know, I failed in the part where you need to separate it from the whites, but it's okay. So 3 egg yolks, and you have to mix them all together. And then next, we will be adding butter. It's about 250 grams. There. Just keep mixing until you reach a crumbly consistency. There you go. Then next, it's time to put 3 ounces of milk or half a cup of milk. You have to put it gradually and keep mixing. And it should look like this, smooth and soft. It's the same. And now it's time to scoop them into the baking sheet. After that, it's time to bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And voila, you're done. Let's eat, guys. Let's have a taste. And it's really good. Good thing I did not put enough sugar, but yeah, it's already sweet and it's just so good. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.